The year was 1999, and for the first time ever, Thai citizens got to experience a new phenomenon, the completed BTS Skytrain system. Ever since then, the Bangkok Mass Transit System Public Company Limited, operator of the BTS Skytrain, has continuously improved its standards of service, ensuring that passengers arrive safely on time and enjoy the highest quality of service possible. BTS is proud to be playing its part in improving the living standards of city residents, making Bangkok a better place and bringing happiness to Thai commuters. Through dedication and commitment to service, we are determined to achieve the highest levels of customer satisfaction. As proven by our current public service record, we have been continuously developing and raising the bar for commuters by enhancing the standards of city mass transportation. Not only have we focused on organizational and personal development, but also improving our performance, striving always to provide Thai citizens with the best and most sustainable mass transit system possible. Similar to metro systems in other big cities around the world, the BTS Skytrain is an electrically powered mass transit railway, incorporating the most advanced technology available. Trains run along dual tracks on elevated structures, with power supplied safely via a third rail, all of which is inspected and maintained nightly. BTS stations have been carefully designed to reduce impacts on both underground and above-ground public utilities. Most stations are built on a single main column structure and are approximately 150 metres in length. There are two types of platform arrangement, those with the tracks in the middle and platforms on either side, and those with a centre platform and tracks on either side. BTS stations have been effectively designed, creating attractive and recognisable architectural forms in the cityscape, making Bangkok a truly great city to live in. Since passenger convenience is one of our most important considerations, we have devoted great effort to improving facilities through implementation of the following: elevators for the mobility impaired, walkway connections linking BTS stations and entrances to department stores and hotels, tourist information centres with staff ready to provide assistance and equipped with internet access facilities, LCD passenger information displays and announcement systems installed at stations and inside trains, additional coin exchange counters and ticketing machines for passenger use, mobile ticket validators providing more convenience for passengers using new contactless BTS Smart Passes, branch offices of the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration located at main stations. With friendly smiles and devotion to top-quality service from our staff in all departments, the BTS Skytrain consistently earns high marks in yearly customer satisfaction surveys. To cope with the rapidly growing number of passengers, we have recently purchased 12 new 4-car trains, which after delivery and commissioning will serve to increase the passenger carrying capacity of the system. Also, to expand capacity and system efficiency, we have installed a new digital communication network to support a wide range of computing networks and communication devices. Over the past 2 years, we have worked on the expansion of workshop areas at our Mo Chit depot, upgrading facilities to handle major overhaul work and maintenance of the expanding fleet of trains. Installation of a new contactless smart card ticketing system has been successfully completed, together with new integrated ticket machines and ATMs. Soon, a combined ticket system will be introduced, allowing passengers to use their BTS smart passes for travel on other transportation systems without needing to buy multiple tickets. These are all crucial steps in our continuing efforts to effectively improve the technology used in the BTS Skytrain system and further develop our services to truly satisfy our passenger needs. In operating the BTS Skytrain, Bangkok Mass Transit System Public Company Limited has devoted itself to becoming a trusted public mass transit service provider. With passenger safety our top priority, we regularly inspect, maintain and research ways to improve our performance at all levels, which includes preparing staff through regular fire drills and emergency training, ensuring that all safety devices comply with applicable standards and are ready for use in the event of an emergency, developing safety manuals and procedures, providing practical safety information delivered directly to passengers via video display screens installed in all trains. In case of emergency, passengers are able to contact the train controller via the passenger intercom system to report an incident and receive instructions. Under normal operating conditions, all trains are controlled by an automatic train operation system, which controls train speed, door opening and closing operations, and regulates the distance separating trains to within a safe range. To communicate with the train operation and control center, train controllers can use the train radio to report an emergency at any time. CCTV cameras connected to a central monitoring unit at Siam have been installed to cover all station areas, assuring passengers of complete security at all times. Although we are a private organization, we are nonetheless aware of our roles and responsibilities in providing benefits to society. This forms the basis of our slogan, "Lift up your life," meaning having social responsibility and helping improve quality of life in all areas, both inside and outside Bangkok. For the future, we realize that the stable growth of our business depends in part on our ability to contribute to society and reduce impacts on the environment. In this respect, we have been continuously campaigning for and implementing policies supporting the effective use of energy resources, both inside and outside our organization. This is reflected in our principles of social responsibility and awareness, which must be considered in parallel with the development of technology and service enhancement, making BTS the most sustainable mass transit solution for Bangkok. With determination and an experienced management team, as well as a unified team of personnel, committed to performing their duties to the best of their abilities, we are striving for the highest possible levels of passenger satisfaction and safety. In recognition of this commitment, we have been consistently awarded certification to the following international standards: Quality Management System ISO 9001 version 2000, Occupational Health and Safety Management OHSAS 18001 version 2007, Railway Transportation Safety Management System from Lloyd's Register International, Thailand. Such recognition is a sign of the trust and confidence expressed by the public and business investors in a bright and promising future of our company. Passenger confidence in the BTS service has been growing ever stronger, with the total number of daily passenger trips now exceeding 500,000. All journeys completed safely and on time. BTS is proud to provide further support to the citizens of Bangkok and its vicinities with the operation of the new Silom Line, extension from Siam Station to Wongwian Station, running a total distance of 2 kilometers. This line extension has been in service since the 23rd of August 2009, with additional route extensions of both Sukhumvit and Silom lines expected to be in service in the near future. Sukhumvit Line from Onut to Bearing, a total distance of 5.2 kilometers. Silom Line from Wongwian to Pekasam Bangwa, a total distance of 5.3 kilometers. And Sukhumvit Line from Mo Chit Station to Sapan Mai, a total distance of 12 kilometers. And from Bearing to Samut Prakan, a total distance of 13 kilometers. Silom Line from National Stadium to Pranot, a total distance of 7.7 kilometers.
ก้าวต่อไปเราพยายามอยากจะให้มีการต่อขยายเพราะว่าความจริงมันกลายเป็นหน้าที่ของเราไปแล้วสิ่งที่ผมอยากจะเห็นจริงๆคือว่าให้มีการต่อขยายออกไปจากสายสีเขียวคือ BTS เพราะนี่คือสิ่งที่สามารถที่จะให้บริการและก็แก้ไขจราจรในกรุงเทพได้ผมเชื่อว่าใน2 ปีนี้เนี่ยคงจะขยายไปได้อีกไม่ต่ำกว่า10 กิโลโดยเฉพาะเส้นทางที่กทมก่อสร้างอยู่ตอนนี้เนี่ยนะฮะแต่ทั้งนี้ทั้งนั้นเนี่ยนะฮะมันก็อยู่ที่ว่าการลงทุนของโครงการพวกนี้เนี่ยมันค่อนข้างที่จะต้องใช้เงินมาก BTS เองเนี่ยความจริงมันมีความพร้อมในด้านที่จะลงทุนเองต่อขยายเองถ้าเราได้รับสัญญาณจากกทมชัดๆว่าจะให้เราทำอย่างไรเนี่ยผมคิดว่าประมาณสิ้นปีหน้าก็เดินได้แล้ว BTS ต้องขอบคุณมากๆนะฮะที่สุดเลยก็ต้องว่ากทมก่อนอีกส่วนหนึ่งคือสำคัญยิ่งๆมากๆเลยก็คือประชาชนที่มาใช้บริการของ BTS เขาให้ความไว้วางใจตั้งแต่วันแรกและอีกอย่างหนึ่งเนี่ยช่วยกันทนุถนอมรถไฟฟ้าของเราต้องถือเป็นของเราเลยนะฮะเพราะว่าถ้าไม่ใช่ประชาชนผู้โดยสารที่มาใช้เนี่ยให้ความร่วมมือเราไม่มีความสามารถที่จะรักษารถให้สะอาดแล้วก็ยังอยู่ในสภาพที่ดีเท่านี้ได้อันนี้ผมต้องขอพูดว่าคนไทยเรานะฮะใช้ของแล้วก็รักในสิ่งที่เขามีอยู่มากเลยทีเดียวผมต้องกราบขอบพระคุณจริงๆนะฮะ
Bangkok Mass Transit System Public Company Limited has been continually investing in the mass transportation business, achieving growth and development along the way. Today, we consider that we have built ourselves into one of Bangkok's major transportation networks. We will ensure that the company continues to grow towards becoming one of the brightest and most promising private organizations in Thailand, and reaffirm our commitment to developing the BTS Skytrain into Bangkok's leading mass transit system, improving living standards and providing a sustainable environment for the future prosperity of Thai people.